Hey guys, welcome back! Let's put it down. Ooh, let's see what's in the back. Ooh, there's tons of animals. I can't wait to see all the animals. Let's open all the doors now. What's in this door? Ooh, what's that? Ooh, it's a rabbit. What's in the next door? What is that? Oh, I know what it is. It's a pig. It's a piggy. Alright, let's check the next door. Ooh, what's that? What is it, Ryu?
Sheep. What does a sheep say?
Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba. Ba ba ba.
Let's check the next door. Oh, what's that? What is it, Ryu?
Chicken.
Awesome. Alright, what's in the next door? Oh. Is that a cat? Cool. Now let's open the side door. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a goat. What's in the next door? Oh, I know what it is. It's a cow. What's in the top door? It's a man. What's the man doing, Ryu?
What's that?
Oh yeah, he's sitting. Now let's check the main doors. Oh, of course. Let's see if we could open all the doors. I think we can do it. Oh wait, oh. Now let's take out all the animals.
Ba ba ba.
Cool, we got all the animals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.